Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a very basic figure skating move that you can do on ice or off. And if you're not a figure skater, you can still practice this off ice. I think you'll still find it helpful. Okay, as always, my name is Miss Ashley, and if you find what we work on today helpful, make sure you share it with somebody who can use it, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Okay, so this video is all about the toe tap. So when you're on figure skates, you have toe picks that are at the front part of your skate, and those are your toe picks. So this exercise would use your toe picks if you are on skates. Since we're not on skates and we're just in our sneakers on flat land, make sure if you're inside that you're on something flat and you're not on anything that you can bump into. You do need a little bit more space to work on this exercise than the biggest balance exercise. So first off, what is a toe tap? So a toe tap is literally what it sounds like. I'm going to show it to you going sideways, and then I'll show it to you front ways as well so you can see that. So you are going to use your toe picks or the front of your sneakers to tap your toe onto the ground, tap your toes together, and then step out. Okay? So if you were on the ice, you'd be using your toe picks twice. Toe pick, step. Right? Now I'm going to show you across this way too so you can see in front, in the front view. You're going to hit your toe pick, step. Okay? You can do it the other way too. Toe pick, step. Okay? So since we're not on our skates and we're on flat land in sneakers, your toe tap step is actually going to be kind of like on the ball of your foot. So you're almost standing like you're trying to stand on your tiptoes. Okay? So that's going to be our version of a toe pick for off ice. And then when you step, instead of stepping with your flat of your foot, you're going to kind of give yourself a nice little bounce in your step. We'll call it a bounce. So you'll go from your ball of your foot or on your tippy toes down, rather than stomping straight down. Okay, so you might be wondering, what is the point of this? Like, Miss Ashley, why are we doing this? Why are we spending time working on a toe tap? This is like skipping. I could just do that. Like, what is the point? Well, when you're a figure skater, this is the progression of your jumps. So you have to start somewhere, right? Like, we can't all just start by doing quads and like axles and double jumps and all that stuff, right? You have to start somewhere. So your toe pick helps with your balance, it helps you find your center, and it helps you utilize your toe picks. Your toe picks are what help you land your jumps. So if you ever look at a figure skater, whether you're looking at like your local rink or on TV, they actually don't land on the flat of their blade. They actually land on their toe pick. So your toe tap actually helps you learn how to land your jumps properly. To let you know the basics of how to do a toe tap, and I just broke it down for you. We're going to try our toe tap from right to left and right to left again. So we're going to do a toe tap 4 times, 2 on each side, okay? So remember, we're always working on our posture. We always want to make sure our arms are up by our side. You're going to roll your shoulders back, and you're going to toe tap to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Okay? That's pretty good. All right, so let's try one more time. I'm going to show it to you from the side now. So I'm going to start right this way, and then switch to left, and then right, and then switch to left. Okay? So shoulders are back onto the side. We're going to do toe tap to the right, toe tap to the left, toe tap to the right, toe tap to the left. Okay? Okay, as always, I like to add some different variations for you. You can do so many things with this exercise, whether you're warming up before you get on the ice, or maybe you just want to add it to your off-ice workout. Maybe you even want to add this with weights or anything like that. Maybe you have like bands that you can use as well. You can put on your ankles for this for some resistance. There's so many different ways that you can help. You can use this exercise to help you build your muscle and keep your balance as well. But one of the variations I'm going to show you with today uses no equipment. Instead, we're just going to use our arms. So it's something simple with our arms in this nice graceful position. You can kind of bring your arms in front on each tap, to the right, to the left. You can do opposite arm, opposite foot if you want to, but we're going to do same arm, same foot. So we're going to do our first toe tap on our right, using the right arm to sweep in front of our head, or in front of our face, and then we're going to sweep with our left arm in front of our face as well. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we're almost done with the toe tap exercises. The last variation I'm going to show you is where you can do toe tap on either side and add a jump to your toe tap, okay? So if you're a figure skater and you know what a Welch jump is, This is a great way to practice from a toe tap instead of crossing toes. So I'm going to show you the way that I do my wall jump because I'm a righty jumper, so I'm going to jump to my left side. I'm going to do my toe tap on my left toe first, right? So I'm toe tapping, and then I'm going to add a wall jump, okay? So you can do that on both sides. It's also a really good way when you're off ice to practice doing your jumps in the opposite direction. So if you're like me, who's a right jumper, you can try to jump to your left as well, or you can jump like a lefty. So you can even try this in an opposite jump. So if you're righty, you can try to jump a lefty, which means you'll be jumping to your right side. So you're going to start with your right foot toe tap, and then you're going to do your wall jump on your right foot, okay? So that's a really good way to practice opposite jumps with no pressure, and you can do this off ice. It makes it easier than just doing it from standing, and it's a little more fun, less boring, you know? So try to add your toe tap to either side. Let's start from